Sirkal ma Somaliland oyawo apisi mar mbetre margi e boma ma Nairobi mano odiechieng' manok bang' piny owacho kokadho migawo mochung'ne tudruok pinje ma oko tamore yienegi mar dhi mbele gi chenro ma kamano. Jatend piny manyien ma Somaliland Abdulrahman Abdullahi noyawo ayanga apisego bang' seche manok bang' romo gi jatend piny William Ruto e kar jot mare maduong' mantiere buore Nairobi. Apisi mar mbetre no noyawo odiechieng' manyoro e nyasi manoyuore gi jotelo mopogore opogore e pachoka ma thothgi wuok e gwenge mag North Eastern. Apis nero oyaw kaluwore gi Abdullahi kendo wacho ni biro konyo e chwalo chenro mopogore opogore ne oganda mag Somaliland modak e pachoka.
But I want to give you our 100% support in the Senate. And I want to say this. This is a democratic country. We don't care about this little politics here and there. We are going to support Somaliland 100%.
The Somaliland diaspora community in Kenya is very vibrant, patriotic, and devoted to support their homeland. As His Excellency officially opening this new premises, let us remember that true measure of this mission success will be seen in the opportunity it unlocks for the students who secure a visa to study, the entrepreneurs who finalize cross-border deal, and the family reunited after years apart.
What we are doing here is more than an inauguration or opening of a mission. We are confirming and reconfirming a bond that has grown organically through decades of shared aspirations, mutual respect, and unwavering partnership. The moment is a proof of resilience of our people and the vision of our leaders. To the Kenyan officials present, your presence honors us, and your nation's steadfast pragmatism in engaging Somaliland has paved the way for this